In this video, I'll show you how to transform an engineering spreadsheet into an online calculator. Engineers love Excel, creating complex engineering calculations and models within spreadsheets. Here, we have a simple engineering spreadsheet designed to calculate the required pipe diameter based on 7 variables, shown here as inputs. The model's output is the diameter, while intermediate calculations appear on the right. You can see multiple layers of calculations here, which are easily trackable. Now, I'll walk you through converting this Excel-based engineering calculator into an online tool using SpreadsheetWeb. First, there's a bit of prep work to simplify the process. Step 1 is to hide, not delete, the intermediate calculations, which are all here on the side. Then, ensure each input and output cell has a defined name, like allowable head loss for this input. Naming is essential for smooth conversion, though you can choose any names that you prefer. With our 7 inputs and 1 output defined, save the Excel file and switch to your SpreadsheetWeb account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account by visiting spreadsheetweb.com and clicking Try for free. Log in, click Create New Application. Drag and drop the Excel file and select Create Application with UI. SpreadsheetWeb will prompt you to try automation. Here, I'll select it because we've already prepped the file. But for more complex files with many inputs and outputs, I recommend the manual option to better control the calculator's appearance. Since this is simple file, we'll go with automation. Now, I'll select the user interface to see what the system has generated. The system's UI looks good, with all 7 inputs and the output correctly placed. Now, I'll hit Publish. It will ask if we'd like to add a database to capture user inputs, but I'll select No for this example. Next, I'll choose a style sheet. I prefer calculators with a dark background, so I'll apply that and hit Publish. Now, we have the application. This URL can be shared or added to a website. Let's test the application and see any input changes update the diameter instantly. This is the quickest and simplest way to turn an Excel file into an online calculator. You can also update the appearance of your application through SpreadsheetWeb's interface later